It can be frustrating when a core piece of the Excel interface just decide to play hide and seek. Usually this happens because the tab was accidentally toggled off in the setting or the ribbon has been collapsed. So you can see that I have no formula tab over here. So here is how you can get your formulas tab back in the few seconds. The most common culprit is that the tab has been unchecked in your display setting. For this, you right click anywhere on the existing ribbon and click on the customize ribbon from the context menu. So in the dialog box that pop-ups, look at the right side under main tabs. Now find the formulas and ensure the checkbox next to the check. And now click OK to proceed. And here now you can see that formula tab is back on the ribbon. Another way is that go to the file, click on the more, click on the option and click on the customize ribbon. And now look for the customization drop down at the right bottom. Now select to reset. Reset all customization and click yes to apply. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.